Unveiling the Earth's warming trend. Understanding global warming. 1. Introduction to global warming. Planetary thermometer. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature. This warming trend has been a subject of scientific investigation and public concern due to its far-reaching environmental, social, and economic implications. 2. Greenhouse effect. Natural blanket. The Earth's atmosphere contains greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and water vapor, which trap and retain heat from the sun. This natural greenhouse effect is essential for maintaining a suitable temperature for life on Earth. Enhanced greenhouse effect. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases, intensifying the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming. 3. Causes of global warming. Anthropogenic factors. Human activities are the primary contributors to the enhanced greenhouse effect. The burning of fossil fuels for energy, industrial processes, deforestation, and certain agricultural practices release significant amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Carbon emissions. The combustion of coal, oil, and natural gas releases large quantities of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. Deforestation further exacerbates the issue, as trees play a crucial role in absorbing CO2. 4. Temperature records and trends. Thermometer readings. Scientific measurements and climate records consistently show a warming trend over the past century. Global temperature records indicate that the Earth's surface has warmed by approximately 1.2 degrees Celsius, 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit, since the late 19th century. Variability and extremes. While there are natural climate variations, the observed warming trend is beyond what can be attributed solely to natural factors, indicating a significant human influence. 5. Impacts on the environment. Rising sea levels. Global warming contributes to the melting of glaciers and polar ice caps, leading to rising sea levels. This poses a threat to coastal communities and low-lying areas. Extreme weather events. Changes in temperature patterns contribute to an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, including heat waves, hurricanes, floods, and droughts. Shifts in ecosystems. Warming temperatures can disrupt ecosystems, affecting the distribution and behavior of plant and animal species. Some species may face challenges in adapting to rapidly changing conditions. 6. Ocean acidification. Carbon uptake. Oceans act as a carbon sink, absorbing a significant portion of the excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. However, this process leads to ocean acidification, which can have detrimental effects on marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate skeletons, such as corals and shellfish. 7. Social and economic consequences. Impacts on agriculture. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can affect crop yields and food security. Shifts in climate conditions may require adjustments in agricultural practices to adapt to new conditions. Resource scarcity. Global warming can exacerbate water scarcity, impact ecosystems, and lead to the degradation of natural resources, influencing the availability of water, food, and other essentials. 8. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Mitigation efforts focus on reducing the emissions of greenhouse gases. This involves transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and implementing policies to limit emissions from various sectors. Adapting to change. Adaptation strategies involve preparing for the impacts of global warming that are already underway. This may include developing resilient infrastructure, implementing sustainable land use practices, and enhancing disaster preparedness. 9. International agreements. Paris Agreement. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, is a global initiative aimed at limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with efforts to limit the increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Countries commit to specific emission reduction targets and collaborative climate action. 10. Individual and community action. Reducing carbon footprint. Individuals can contribute to mitigating global warming by reducing their carbon footprint. This includes using energy-efficient appliances, choosing sustainable transportation options, and supporting eco-friendly practices. Educating and advocating. Raising awareness about climate change and advocating for sustainable practices at local, national, and global levels are crucial components of collective efforts to address global warming. Conclusion. Global warming, driven primarily by human activities, poses a significant threat to the planet's ecosystems, biodiversity, and human societies. Understanding the causes, impacts, and potential solutions is essential for fostering collective action to mitigate the effects of global warming and build a sustainable and resilient future for the Earth.